Just excuse me one moment. I'll start it very soon. नमः सर्वेभ्यः। अद्य विभक्तिवर्गे चतुर्थः पाठः। सेप्टेम्बर् मासस्य 26 दिनाङ्कः। मङ्गलेन प्रारम्भं कुर्मः। रामो राजमणिः सदा विजयते, रामं रमेशं भजे। रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमूः, रामाय तस्मै नमः। रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं, रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्। रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे, भो राम मामुद्धर। गुरुरेव गतिः गुरुमेव भजे, गुरुणैव सहास्मि नमो गुरवे। न गुरोः परमं शिशुरस्मि गुरोः, मतिरस्ति गुरौ मम पाहि गुरो। प्रथमा विभक्तेः तथा सम्बोधनप्रथमायाः प्रयोगान् दृष्टवन्तः। तत्र किञ्चित् पुनरावर्तनं कुर्मः। प्रथमा विभक्तिः नाम का? एकं पदं भवति। संस्कृते पदं द्विविधं, सुबन्तं तथा तिङन्तं। प्रायेण नामपदम् इति सुबन्तस्य पर्यायः, क्रियापदम् इति तिङन्तस्य। पदे भागद्वयं भवति, प्रकृतिः तथा प्रत्ययः। नामपदेषु प्रातिपदिकम् इति प्रकृतिः भवति, सुप् इति प्रत्ययाः भवन्ति। अत एव सुप् अन्तः सुबन्तः इति नाम। एवं क्रियापदेषु धातुः प्रकृतिः, तिङ् इति प्रत्ययाः भवन्ति। एते सुप् प्रत्ययाः, एतेषामेव विभक्तिः इति नाम। So vibhakti is a set of pratyayas which are added to nominal roots. Vibhaktayah sapta bhavanti. Prathama, द्वितीया, तृतीया, चतुर्थी, पंचमी, षष्ठी, सप्तमी इति सप्त विभक्तयः। प्रतिविभक्ति त्रीणि वचनानि, एकवचनं, द्विवचनं, बहुवचनम्। एवं सप्तसु विभक्तिषु त्रयः प्रत्ययाः आहत्य एकविंशतिः प्रत्ययाः। So the 21 pratyayas in 7 vibhaktis and the 3 numbers, they are the sup pratyayas. So all namapadas will compulsorily have one of these pratyayas at their end. Vibhaktinam prayogaha kimartham bhavati? Why do we use the vibhaktis, or what do the vibhaktis convey? Kriyaya saha sambandhaha अथवा अन्येन नामपदेन सम्बन्धः, अन्येन पदार्थेन सम्बन्धः, अथवा वस्तुनः निर्देशः. So these are the 4 common cases where we use vibhaktis. One is to indicate the relation with action. Yatha patham pathami. Patha is the object of reading. Lekhanya likhami. Lekhani is instrumental to the action of writing. And vrikshat patati. So vriksha is the point of separation for the action of falling. Evam kriyaya saha sambandham dyotayitum vibhaktinam upayogah bhavati. अन्येन पदेन सह सम्बन्धं यथा गुरवे नमः रामाय नमः नमः इति पदम् अस्ति इत्यतः तत्र चतुर्थी विभक्तिः गृहात् बहिः बहिः इति पदमस्ति इत्यतः पञ्चमी विभक्तिः जलेन विना विना इति पदमस्ति इत्यतः तृतीया विभक्तिः तो indication of the presence or relation to a specific word in the sentence can govern specific vibhaktis. Padarthena saha sambandhah. So relation of between two padarthas. Say mama pustakam. So between me and the pustaka. It is not just the word mama or pustakam, but the padartha. So between me and a book, there is a relation. That is, I own the book. So to indicate the relation between padarthas, we use vibhaktis, or just to indicate a substance. Pratipadika vrikshaha, balaha, phalam. So just to indicate a particular thing, we use vibhakti. एतेषु चतुर्षु अर्थेषु प्रायेण विभक्तीनां प्रयोगः भवति तत्र प्रथमा विभक्तिः प्रथमा so the first is प्रथमा विभक्ति कुत्र उपयोगः भवति प्रथमा विभक्तेः प्रधानः प्रयोगः वस्तुनिर्देशे भवति यथा सः वृक्षः एतत् पुस्तकं सा बालिका एवं प्रातिपदिकार्थे अथवा वस्तुनिर्देशार्थं प्रथमा विभक्तिः भवति अत्र सर्वत्र यत्र वस्तुनिर्देशः इति उच्यते तत्रापि अस्ति इति क्रिया अध्याह्रियते एव so everywhere even when we say it is for vastunirdesha there is the implication of a kriya called asti however that is for the purpose of completing the sentence and the main purpose of using the vibhakti here is just to indicate a particular thing कर्तरि प्रथमा विभक्तिः बालः पठति त्वं लिखसि अहं गच्छामि so in all these cases the agent or the doer of the action is expressed in prathama vibhakti तथैव कर्मणि प्रथमा विभक्तेः प्रयोगः भवति यत्र कर्मवाचकाः प्रत्ययाः यथा पाठः पठितः लेखनी क्रीता पुस्तकं पठनीयं पठितव्यं so एवं कर्मणि प्रत्ययानां योगे कर्मवाचकस्य प्रथमा विभक्तिः भवति so when we use these pratyayas the kta pratyaya the tavyat aniyar or the karmani lakaras the karmavachaka the object will get prathama vibhakti एवं त्रिषु स्थलेषु प्रथमा विभक्तेः प्रयोगाः दृष्टाः प्रथमा विभक्तेः रूपाणि अपि ज्ञातानि सामान्य शब्दानां so we are covering only the akaranta pullingas akaranta napumsakalingas akaranta and ikaranta strilingas and sarvanamas right so we have learned the usage of prathama vibhakti of those words ततः संबोधन प्रथमा संबोधन प्रथमा इति पृथक् विभक्तिः न अर्थात् तत्र प्रत्ययाः समानाः so the pratyayas of prathama vibhakti and the pratyayas of sambodhana prathama are the same that is why we say that sambodhana prathama is not a separate vibhakti however when the prathama vibhakti is used for addressing somebody that is used for sambodhana in for some words only the ekavachana form changes keshanchit shabdanamev sambodhana prathamayam ekavachanantam rupam bhidyate so the difference between prathama and sambodhana prathama if any is only in the ekavachana form dvivachana and bahuvachana are always the same the Ekavachana forms, sometimes they may vary and sometimes they may not. एतत् सर्वम् अधीतम्. अद्य द्वितीया विभक्तेः रूपाणि प्रयोगांश्च पश्यामः. Excuse me, just one moment, please. Okay. अद्य द्वितीया विभक्तेः रूपाणि प्रयोगांश्च पश्यामः. खादति इति एका क्रिया अस्ति. एषः बालः. एषः बालः. एतत् फलम्. एतत् फलम्. एषः बालः. एतत् फलम्. बालः फलम् उभयोः खादनक्रियायाम् अन्वयः अस्ति. So both the boy and the fruit are related to the action of eating. How are they related? Kah khadati? Balah khadati. So who eats? That is the question regarding the doer of the action. Who performs the action? So the answer is Bala, the boy. Ataha Balah khadati. Kim khadati? What does he eat? Phalam khadati. Balah phalam khadati. The boy eats a fruit. Pathati. Esha बालिका. एतत् पुस्तकम्. एषा बालिका. एतत् पुस्तकम्. का पठति? बालिका पठति. किं पठति? पुस्तकं पठति. बालिका पुस्तकं पठति. पश्यति. एषा महिला. एषः वृक्षः. एषा महिला. एषः वृक्षः. का पश्यति? महिला पश्यति. किं पश्यति? वृक्षं पश्यति. महिला वृक्षं पश्यति. करोति. एषः कुम्भकारः. एषः कुम्भकारः. एषः घटः. एषः घटः. कः करोति? कुम्भकारः करोति. किं करोति? घटं करोति. कुम्भकारः घटं करोति. क्षिपति. क्षिपति थ्रोस्. एषः वानरः. एषः वानरः. एषा माला. एषा माला. कः क्षिपति? वानरः क्षिपति. किं क्षिपति? मालां क्षिपति. वानरः मालां क्षिपति. क्रीणाति. एषा छात्रा. एषा छात्रा. एषा लेखनी. का क्रीणाति? छात्रा क्रीणाति, किं क्रीणाति, लेखनीं क्रीणाति, छात्रा लेखनीं क्रीणाति। एतेषु वाक्येषु द्वितीया विभक्तेः प्रयोगं दृष्टवन्तः। द्वितीया विभक्तेः प्रधानः प्रयोगः भवति कर्मपदस्य। So the Dvitiya Vibhakti is most frequently used to indicate the karma pada. So what is a karma pada? Kriyayaha vishaye kim karoti iti prashnasya uttaram. Kim pathati? Pustakam pathati. Kim khadati? Phalam khadati. Kim pashyati? Vriksham pashyati. Kim kshipati? Malam kshipati. So whenever we ask a question kim karoti in relation to a particular kriya, the answer is the karma pada. Okay. So there is a sutra, the Paninian sutra says kartuhu ipsitatamam karma, that which the doer, the karta, desires the most to achieve through his action. Say if you are writing, so what is it that you decide to write? Is it a katha? Is it a lekha? Is it a patra? Is it something else? So that what he desires to do the most or to associate his kriya with, so that is karma. That is the theoretical definition of karma. So based on this, there are two kinds of dhatus. Dhatavaha dvedha bhavanti, sakarmakaha, akarmakaha. Sakarmakaha, karmana sahitaha. So those which can have a karma pada. Akarmakaha, navidyate karma yesham. Those which do not have a karma pada. Sakarmakaha dhatavaha. So this property of sakarmaka or akarmaka depends on the meaning of the dhatu. Say pathati. So kim pathati? You can have various karmas. Likhati. Kim likhati? Dadati. Kim dadati? So the question kim with reference to the action can have a possible answer. So those dhatus are sakarmakas. In reference to other dhatus, say tishtati, stands. Kim tishtati? So the question will not have an answer. Right? Upavishati. So you can say kaha upavishati, who sits or who stands, but you cannot say what does he stand or what does he sit or what does he laugh. So ete dhatavaha akarmakaha. Evam dhatavaha dvedha sakarmakaha tatha akarmakaha. Sakarmakanam dhatunam prayoge karmavachakam bhavati. So you will have a karma pada, and the karma pada is indicated by Dvitiya Vibhakti, not always. Remember that we have already seen that karma pada can also be indicated by Prathama Vibhakti. Right? When you say Patham Pathati, but Pathaha Pathitaha. Patham Pathitavan, but Pathaha Pathitaha or Pathaha Pathaniyaha. So depending on the pratyaya, the karma pada can be expressed either by the prathama or the dvitiya vibhakti. Right? So atra kaschana prashnah asti. You can ask questions even for say akarmaka kriyas. You can ask questions like what does he sit on, or what is he laughing about. But the question is on the preposition, that is the saptami. Kutra upavishati, where or on what. And again kasya vishaye. So the question is different. It is not directly kim tishtati or kim upavishati. So the karma pada will not be present. Okay. प्रश्नः अस्ति वा? ज्ञानप्रसूना? इदानीम् अभ्यासं कुर्मः द्वितीया विभक्तेः. अहं गजं पश्यामि. एतादृशानि वाक्यानि कर्तव्यानि दृष्ट्वा किमस्ति इति दृष्ट्वा. So as usual, if you want to volunteer, please raise your hands. So in your screens, there is a symbol of hand with a green arrow upwards. So that symbol is for raising your hands. So if you raise your hands, I'll unmute you and then you can answer, right? Sudhir Mahodaya.
I have a question.
Yes.
Vanarah malam kshipati.
Mm.
Kim kshipati va kam kshipati? Malam kam kshipati. Na?
So if you know the answer or if you know what is it, then you can ask the question in a particular gender. If you have an answer, but in general, Kim Kshipati is fine because you don't know what is the answer. It could be Phalam Kshipati, it could be something else. So when you don't know it, in general, we use Napumsakalinga. Okay, that is the general thing. Samanye Napumsakam. If you are not aware of the gender, you can say Kim, use the Napumsakalinga. So in general, so the answer could be in any gender. So if you know already that it is Mala, then yes, Kam Kshipati is also fine, but that means you know that the answer is going to be in feminine. So in general, Kim, the neuter gender, will do fine.
Okay.
Ha.
धन्यवादः.
हा. वदति वा? हा. अहं okay. So I'll ask हरीश महोदय.
श्रूयते वा?
हा, श्रूयते.
अहं सिंहं पश्यामि.
अहं सिंहं पश्यामि.
अहं व्याघ्रं पश्यामि.
अहं व्याघ्रं पश्यामि.
अहं भल्लूकं पश्यामि.
अहं भल्लूकं पश्यामि. सम्यक्. विद्यानंद सरस्वती.
Aham. What is it? I don't know.
चित्रकः.
Aham chitrakam pashyami.
सम्यक्. अहं चित्रकं पश्यामि.
Aham mrigam pashyami.
मृगं पश्यामि अथवा हरिणं पश्यामि. उभयं साधु.
Aham
मकरः.
Aham makaram pashyami.
अहं मकरं पश्यामि. सम्यक्. जय खन्ना महोदय.
अहम् उष्ट्रं पश्यामि.
सम्यक्. अहम् उष्ट्रं पश्यामि.
अहं सर्पं पश्यामि. अहं वानरं पश्यामि.
सम्यक्. सुभाषिणी. हरि ओम्. न श्रूयते? हा.
संस्कृत.
शृगालः. शृगालः.
अहं शृगालं पश्यामि.
अहं शृगालं पश्यामि.
अहं शशं पश्यामि.
शशं पश्यामि.
अहम् अजं पश्यामि.
सम्यक्. Paul.
अहं
बिडालः
अहं विडालं पश्यामि।
बिडालः मार्जारः उभयमपि अस्ति। बिडालं पश्यामि अथवा मार्जारं पश्यामि।
अहं कुक्कुरं पश्यामि।
कुक्कुरं पश्यामि। शुनकं पश्यामि।
अहम् अश्वं पश्यामि।
अश्वं पश्यामि। रघुनाथ महोदय।
For rat.
मूषिकः।
अहं मूषिकं पश्यामि।
अहं मूषिकं पश्यामि। वृषभः।
अहं वृषभं पश्यामि।
कच्छपः।
अहं कच्छकः पश्यामि।
कच्छपं पश्यामि। अहं कच्छपं पश्यामि। कच्छपः अथवा कूर्मः। अग्रिमं त्वं फलं खादसि। किं फलम् इति वक्तव्यम्। हरमन्दर सिंह महोदय।
त्वं सेवं
मैंगो।
खादसि।
It's a mango.
त्वं आम्रं खादसि।
आम्रं खादसि अथवा आम्रफलं खादसि।
त्वं कदलीफलं खादसि।
कदलीफलं खादसि। नारंगम।
नारंगम खादसि।
त्वं नारंगफलं खादसि। नारंगम is orange. ज्ञानप्रसूना। न श्रूयते. There's a lot of disturbance. Hello. There's a lot of disturbance. I'm not able to hear you properly. Hello. Some external noise. Where is the noise coming from? Okay. So sorry, there's some huge very loud disturbance is coming. Maybe some microphone problem. Just check it out. I'll come back to you. Geeta Ramachandran.
Yeah, what is the word
Panasam.
in
Panasam.
for this fruit?
Panasam.
Panasam. Okay. Tvam panasaphalam khadasi.
Tvam panasaphalam khadasi.
Khadasi.
Ananasaphalam.
Tvam anasiphalam khadasi.
So atrapi, I mean, there are many words which are derived mostly from other languages. So ananasaphalam or anasiphalam. Ubhayam asti.
Tvam sebaphalam khadasi.
So again, apple is another fruit which has, I mean, different people use different terms. So sebaphalam is used, or sevaphalam, or kashmiraphalam. So sarvesham upayogah asti. Because it's not Indian fruit. There is, I mean, in older literature you don't find usage, but there are words. Okay. So yes, Seva Phalam, Sevi Phalam, Kashmira Phalam, Seva Phalam. So there are several variations for it. So yes. Malakondaya.
हरि ओम्
Ha. Madhukarkati. Madhukarkati.
त्वं मधुकर्कटीफलं खादसि.
So papaya is called Madhukarkati.
मधुकर्कटस् प्रोनङ्गमेट्.
Dadimam.
त्वं दाडिमं फलं खादसि.
Dadima phalam khadasi.
दाडिमफलं खादसि.
Bahubija phalam.
त्वं बहुबीजफलं खादसि.
Tvam bahubija phalam khadasi. So bahubija phalam iti guva phalasya nam. Okay. Sharada. Ha, vadatu. Shruyate? Ha. Narikelam.
What should I say? Tvam narikela phalam khadasi.
Ha. So narikela is also treated fruit. Ha.
Tvam draksha phalam khadasi.
Jambu phalam.
Tvam jambu phalam khadasi.
Tvam jambu phalam khadasi. So jambu is a very common fruit. It's the jamun fruit. Right? So agrimam balaha kim krinati iti vaktavyam. Chandrasekhar Mahodaya.
बालः मालां क्रीणति
Balaha malam krinati.
बालः घण्टं क्रीणाति
Ghantam krinati.
बालः तुलां क्रीणाति
Samyak. Lakshmi.
बालः पेटिकं
Petikam krinati.
पेटिकां क्रीणाति बालः चाबिं
Kunchika.
कुञ्चिकां क्रीणाति
Kunchikam krinati.
बालः मापिकां क्रीणाति
Mapikam krinati. Jnanaprasuna. Yeah, I'm sorry, there is a very loud disturbance. I don't know what is the source of it. There's a very loud noise from your end. Maybe an external disturbance or I don't know. Shrivalli.
बालः छुरिकां क्रीणाति
Churikam krinati.
बालः लेखनीं क्रीणाति
Lekhanim krinati.
बालः अङ्कणीं क्रीणाति
Samyak. Shri Priya.
watch
Ghati.
बालः घड़ी
Ghati. हाँ.
घटी बालः घटीं क्रीणाति
Ghatim krinati.
घटीं
Kartari.
कर्तरी बालः कर्तरीं क्रीणाति
Kartarim krinati.
बालः सूचीं क्रीणाति
Suchim krinati. Krinati इत्यस्य कः अर्थः? Krinati means to buy. B-U-Y, buy. So others who have not tried so far, would you like to try? So, yes. Sudhakar Mohanay.
बालः कूपीं क्रीणाति
कूपीं क्रीणाति.
बालः
द्रोणी. द्रोणी.
बालः द्रोणीं क्रीणाति
द्रोणीं क्रीणाति.
मार्जः वा
मार्जनी.
मार्जनी. बालः मार्जनीं क्रीणाति
मार्जनीं क्रीणाति. So going to a different kind of exercise. So we have seen separately the Dvitiya Vibhakti forms for the different lingas. Idanim tasyaiva kim pathati ityasya. So starting from here, we will do that. Krishna Mohanay.
पाठं पठति
पाठं पठति
कथां पठति पत्रं पठति भाषणं पठति क्रियापदं
आमां क्रियापदं समानं भाषणं पठति
कादम्बरीं पठति मन्त्रं पठति पुस्तकं पठति पत्रिकां पठति
सम्यक् शिवराम कुलकर्णी
गृहं गच्छति देवालयं गच्छति शालां गच्छति ग्रामं गच्छति नगरीं गच्छति आपणं गच्छति विपणीं गच्छति क्रीडाङ्गणं गच्छति
सतीश राव महोदय विपणिम् इत्युक्ते कः अर्थः इति केनचित् पृष्टं विपणिः मार्केट् आपणानां समूहः यत्र भवति सा विपणि सतीश राव महोदय
कार्यं करिष्यति परोपकारं करिष्यति
हिंसां
करिष्यति हिंसां करिष्यति भोजनं करिष्यति निद्रां करिष्यति प्रीतिं करिष्यति चिकित्सां करिष्यति अभ्यासं करिष्यति
So karishyati, so this is the second kind. So karoti, karishyati. So karishyati is used to indicate the future tense, right? So that is called the lrit lakara. Present tense we call the lat lakara. Karoti, gacchati, pathati, likhati. So lrit lakara is for future tense. Karishyati, gamishyati, vadishyati, pathishyati, etc. Jnana Prasuna.
Are you able to hear me now, madam?
Ah, yes, please.
Are you able?
No disturbance.
Satyam vakshyati. Upadesham vartam vakshyati. Mantram vakshyati. Uttaram vakshyati. Niti katham vakshyati. Anubhavam vakshyati. Subhashitam vakshyati.
So vakshyati ityapi lrit lakare. So will tell. So तत्र वदिष्यति इत्यपि अस्ति वदधातोः वदिष्यति वचधातोः वक्ष्यति उभयस्यापि प्रयोगः अस्ति शोभा
पुस्तकं क्रीतवान् लेखनीं क्रीतवान् सुधारखण्ड क्रीतवान् सुधाखण्डं क्रीतवान् मापिकां क्रीतवान् भूगोलं क्रीतवान् मार्जनीं क्रीतवान् कृष्णफलकं क्रीतवान् अङ्कनीं क्रीतवान्
So सुधाखण्डः chalk piece मापिका scale bhugola is globe marjani eraser or duster krishna phalakam blackboard ankani pencil next rajiv mohoday
हिमालयं दृष्टवती गंगां दृष्टवती राजस्थानं दृष्टवती काशीं दृष्टवती समुद्रं दृष्टवती कांचीपुरं दृष्टवती द्वारकां दृष्टवती कन्याकुमारीं दृष्टवती
सम्यक्
हिमालय
that's it धन्यवादः. So as you can see, these two kritavan drishtavati. So for the past tense, these are called kridantas. So there are specific suffixes. So the ktavatu is the pratyaya. So it indicates the past tense. Drishtavan drishtavati, gatavan gatavati, pathitavan pathitavati, and so on. Please excuse me for just 2 minutes. I have a small daughter and she is crying. I'll be back in just 2 minutes, please. Sorry. हरि ओम श्रूयते वा? Okay. Yeah, so I'm sorry for the disturbance. I said I have a 3-year-old daughter, so she was she got up and she had a tantrum. So okay. So द्वितीया विभक्तेः प्रयोगः दृष्टः. Now, as we have seen, there are we have a karma pada. So what is a karma pada? The object of any action, that which is the most desired by the agent to associate with its action. So there are some cases where we use the karma pada in dvitiya vibhakti. So there are also some cases where we use it in prathama vibhakti. Right? Yatha Shyamah Patha ityasti. Path, read. So for the action of reading, Patha is the karma. Patham pathati. Patham pathitavan. Patham pathati, reads a lesson. Patham pathitavan, he read a lesson in the past. Pathaha pathitaha, the lesson was read. Right. Patham pathishyati, he will read a lesson. Pathaha pathaniyaha, the lesson must be read. Pathaha pathitavyaha, again the lesson should be read. So patham pathati, patham pathitavan, pathaha pathitah, patham pathishyati, pathaha pathaniyah, pathaha pathitavyah. So kvachit prathama vibhakti, kvachit dvitiya vibhakti. Okay, so we will see that now. So tathaiva kriyapadanam prayogah api bhavati. So I initially thought of giving the kriyapadas, but see, I mean, though this course is focused on vibhaktis, you cannot completely exclude the kriyapada because there is no sentence without the action also. So on the way we will also practice using actions in these different forms. Okay. Okay. So Rao Mahodaya.
श्रूयते वा?
हाँ, श्रूयते.
श्रूयते वा?
श्रूयते, वदतु.
फलं खादति.
फलं खादति.
फलं खादितवान्.
खादितवान्.
फलः खादितः.
फलशब्दः नपुंसकलिङ्गे.
ओके, फलं
फलं
खादितः.
खादितं, फलं खादितं.
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 खादितं, या. फलं खादिष्यति.
खादिष्यति.
फलं
खादनीयं. खादनीयं.
खादनीयं. फलं खादितव्यं.
फलं खादितव्यं. सम्यक्. So फलं खादति, फलं खादितवान्, फलं खादितं, फलं खादिष्यति, फलं खादनीयं, फलं खादितव्यं. So नपुंसकलिङ्गे भेदः न दृश्यते प्रथमा विभक्तेः द्वितीया विभक्तेश्च. So फलं is always फलं, किन्तु अन्यलिङ्गानां भेदः दृश्यते. So पुनः अर्थान् वदामि. फलं पाठं पठति, reads a lesson. पाठं पठितवान्, read a lesson. Past tense, active voice. पाठः पठितः, the lesson was read. Phalam khaditam, the fruit was eaten. So it is an passive voice where the emphasis is on the karma or the object. Patham pathishyati, will read a lesson. Pathaha pathaniyah, the lesson must be read. The emphasis is not on who. It is that the lesson must be read. So emphasis is on the karma. That is what we call the karmani prayoga or the karmani pratyayas. Pathaha patitavyaha. So the lesson must be read. So pataniya, patitavya, there is no difference in meaning. Both of them are used in the sense of must be or shall be done something. Okay. So next, Radhika Varma.
Mantram japati.
Hmm.
Mantram japati.
Samyak.
Mantram patita japitavan. Mantraha japitaha. Mantraha japishyati.
Mantram japishyati.
Mantram japishyati. Mantraha japaniyaha. Mantraha japitavyaha.
So mantram japati, mantram japitavan, mantraha japitaha, mantram japishyati, mantraha japaniyaha, mantraha japitavyaha. Next, Hari Krishnan Mahodaya. You have muted yourself. You have to click on your microphone. Bhiksham yachati.
Bhiksham yachati. Bhiksham yachitaha.
Bhiksha yachita.
Sorry. Bhiksha yachita. Bhiksham yachishyati. Pataniya.
Yachaniya.
Bhiksha yachitavya.
Bhiksha yachaniya. Bhiksha yachitavya. So bhiksham yachati. Bhiksham yachitavan. Bhiksha yachita. Bhiksham yachishyati. Bhiksha yachaniya. Bhiksha yachitavya. Right? So yach dhatuhu. So the common usage is an atmanepadi as yachate, but parasmaipadi is also used. It's an ubhayapadi. Okay. Suma.
Namaste.
Ha.
Gramam gacchati. Gramam gatavan. Gramam gacchata. Sorry, Gramam Napunsakalingam kalu?
No, Pullinga. Gramaha.
Pullinga. Gramaha Gacchataha.
Gataha. Gataha.
Gramaha Gataha. Gramaha Gamishyati. Gramam
Gamishyati.
Oh, Gramam Gamishyati Punah vadami. Gramam Gacchati. Gramam Agaran. Gramaha Gataha. Gramam Gamishyati. Gramaha Gamaniyaha. Gramam Gramah Gamaniyaha. Gramaha Gamitavyaha.
Gantavyaha.
Gantavyaha.
Samyak. So don't worry, I mean it is slightly confusing, but I want to enforce the point that there should be prathama. As I said, the most common error in Samskrita usage is using dvitiya vibhakti with patitaha, pataniyaha or patitavyaha. Because I mean using dvitiya with patati or patitavan, we are all mostly used to it. By the same samskara, we use dvitiya also for the karmani pratyayas. Okay, so that is why the exercise, it might be slightly difficult in the beginning, but please do practice, you will get it. Okay, so gramam gacchati, gramam gatavan, gramaha gataha, ग्रामं गमिष्यति, ग्रामः गमनीयः, ग्रामः गन्तव्यः. Next, Meenakshi.
Yes, namaste.
Namaste.
कथां कथयति, कथां कथितवान्, कथा कथितः,
कथिता,
कथा कथिता, कथा कथिष्यति,
कथां कथयिष्यति,
कथां कथयिष्यति, कथा कथनीयः,
कथा कथनीया,
कथनीया, कथा कथितव्या,
कथयितव्या.
कथयितव्या. Sorry.
No problem. Don't say sorry at all. It is perfectly fine. So, katham kathayati, katham kathitavan, katha kathita, katham kathayishyati, katha kathaniya, katha kathayitavya. Okay. Next. Suprita.
सुवर्णं चोरयति, सुवर्णं चोरयितवान्,
चोरितवान्,
सुवर्णं चोरितवान्, सुवर्णं चोरितः,
चोरितं,
सुवर्णं चोरितं, सुवर्णं पठिष्यति,
चोरयिष्यति,
सुवर्णं चोरयिष्यति, सुवर्णं चोरणीयः,
चोरणीयं,
चोरणीयं, सुवर्णं चोरणीयं,
चोरयितव्यम्. So remember, when we are using, in case of patitaha, pataniyaha, patitavyaha, so the gender, whatever the gender, you will have the same gender. Say pathaha patitaha, katha patita, pustakam patitam. We did this last week, right? If you remember, please go back and practice that also again. So then it was easier because we were not confused. What happens is, when we take only one thing, it's clear. But when we bring in two things, we start getting confused. So that is why we should first individually learn it and then bring them together. So these patitaha, pataniyaha, patitavyaha, they have the linga. So pathaha patitaha, katha patita, pustakam patitam. Similarly, pathaha pataniyaha, katha pataniya, pustakam pataniyam. Pathaha patitavyaha, katha patitavya, pustakam patitavyam. So there is the gender. It varies with the gender of the karma. Okay. So in these cases, it is only patham. Okay. So similarly, suvarnam chorayati, suvarnam choritavan, suvarnam choritam, because suvarna is napumsakalinga. Suvarnam chorayishyati, suvarnam choraniyam, suvarnam chorayitavyam. Okay. So you should be, as you go on, you will get tuned to that. If you say suvarnam chorayitavyaha, so it is wrong because it is not. If you are using two namapadas, they should be in the same vibhakti. The same linga, vachana, vibhakti. They are adjectives to each other. So as you keep practicing, it will come naturally. Okay. In other languages, as you keep talking, you will know when there is a mistaken prayoga. So similarly, if you keep using these, you will be familiar. Okay. So next, Harish.
घटीं ददाति, घटीं दत्तवान्, घटी दत्ता, घटीं दास्यति, दास्यति, घटी
दानीया,
घटी दानीया, घटी दातव्या.
सम्यक्. So घटीं ददाति, घटीं dattavan, ghati datta, ghatim dasyati, ghati daniya, ghati datavya. Next, Malakondayya महोदय.
हरि ओम्.
हा, वदतु.
जलं पिबति, जलं जलं पीतवान्, जलं पातं
पीतं,
जलं पीतं, जलं
पास्यति,
पास्यति, जलं पास्यनीयं,
पानीयं,
जलं पानीयं, जलं पातव्यं,
पातव्यं. सम्यक्. जलं पिबति, जलं पीतवान्, जलं पीतं, जलं पास्यति, जलं पानीयं, जलं पातव्यं. Okay, so pitavan, pitam. Always remember whatever you have for tavan, I mean it's the same form. Say pitavan, pitam, ubhayam samanam. Okay, so next, Paul.
Geetam gayati, geetam gayavan, geetavan, yeah, geetavan, geetam,
Geetam. Both are the same.
Geetam patatim, geetam gayatim,
gasyati,
oh gasyati, okay, geetam gaishyati,
no, gasyati,
geetam
ganiyam,
ganiyam, geetam gantavyam,
gatavyam. So like datavyam, you have patavyam, gatavyam, all are similar. Okay, so geetam gayati, geetam geetavan, geetam geetam, the song was sung. Geetam gasyati, geetam ganiyam, geetam gatavyam. Okay, so next, so we have a few more dhatus, same exercise. So these dhatus, they are slightly more, I mean there is a difference in the forms. So let us see. Chandrasekhar Mahodaya.
Okay. हरि ओम्.
वदतु.
कथा लिखति,
कथां लिखति,
कथां लिखति, कथां लिखनीयं,
तवतु,
कथां कथवतु,
लिखितवान्,
कथां लिखितवान्, कथां लिखति,
लिखिता, कथा लिखिता,
कथा लिखिता, कथा लेखिष्यति,
कथां लेखिष्यति,
कथां लेखिष्यति, कथां लेखनीयः,
कथा लेखनीया,
कथा लेखनीया, कथा लेखिष्यति,
लेखितव्या, सम्यक्. So yes, with practice you'll get it, don't worry. So with patitaha, pataniyah, patitavyah, always remember the karmani pratyayas. They are easier to remember. I mean, it's mostly these three which are used. and sometimes karmani lakaras. Okay, so the rest will be, you know, the kartari, which means katham likhati, katham likhitavan, katha likhita, katham lekhishyati, katha lekhaniya, katha lekhitavya. रामानुजन वाल्मीकि महोदय.
नमः. चित्रं पठति,
पश्यति, दृश्य धातु.
सारी चित्रं दृश्यति, चित्रं दृश्यति,
पश्यति, पश्यति, sorry, दृश्य is the dhatu, but the form in lat lakara is pashyati.
Okay, चित्रं पश्यति, चित्रं दृष्टवान्, चित्रं पठितं, दृष्टं, sorry, चित्रं दृष्टं, चित्रं दृश्यति,
द्रक्ष्यति,
द्रक्ष्यति, चित्रं पठनीयं, चित्रं पठितव्यं, sorry, दृश्यव्यं, द्रष्टव्यं, द्रष्टव्यं,
दर्शनीयं, दर्शनीयं, द्रष्टव्यं. चित्रं पश्यति, चित्रं दृष्टवान्, चित्रं दृष्टं, चित्रं द्रक्ष्यति, चित्रं दर्शनीयं, चित्रं द्रष्टव्यं. Remember, drisha dhatu is a special dhatu. Lat lakare pashyati iti rupam bhavati. So the dhatu for pashyati is drish. So in all other forms you hear drish. In lat, again in lot, pashyati, pashyatu, apashyat, pashyet. So in those four forms you hear pashya. All other cases we hear drish. Okay. Next. There's one more question. Shouldn't it be katham likhitavati? So you can say katham likhitavan. He wrote a story. Katham likhitavati. She wrote a story. Okay. So the gender there depends on the doer, who is writing. But when you say katha likhita, the gender for likhita depends on the karma. Right. So in pathitavan, likhitavan, drishtavan, so the gender is depending on who is doing, who is reading, who is writing, who is seeing. Okay. It does not depend on the object. You can say patham pathitavan, katham pathitavan, pustakam pathitavan. Okay. So that exactly is the difference between these two pratyayas. What is tavatu, what is ta, that exactly is the difference. So as we see, what you should do first is be familiar with the prayoga. As you go on, you can also understand the theoretical aspect behind it. Okay. So next, Shrivalli.
वार्तां श्रुतवती, शृणोति, वार्तां श्रुतवान्, वार्ता श्रुतवतः, श्रुता, वार्ता श्रुता, वार्तां श्रोष्यति,
सम्यक्,
वार्ता
श्रवणीया,
वार्ता श्रवणीया, वार्ता श्रोतव्या,
वार्तां शृणोति, वार्तां श्रुतवान्, वार्ता श्रुता, वार्तां श्रोष्यति, वार्ता श्रवणीया, वार्ता श्रोतव्या. Next, Krishna.
युतकं धरति, युतकं धृतवान्, धृतवान् युतकं धृतवान् युतका धृता
युतकं धृतं
युतकं धृतं युतकां धरिष्यति युतकं धरणीयं युतकं
धर्तव्यं so युतकं धरति युतकं धृतवान् युतकं धृतं युतकं धरिष्यति युतकं धरणीयं युतकं धर्तव्यं yutaka is a shirt dharati is to wear. Next Harmander Singh.
तण्डुलं पचति तण्डुलं पचितवान्
पक्ववान् sorry pache is a special dhatu ha
तण्डुलं what is it sorry
pakwavan
तण्डुलं पक्व
तण्डुलः पक्वः
तण्डुलं
पक्ष्यति
तण्डुलः
पचनीयः तण्डुलः पक्तव्यः So sorry, I did not want to include this, but I thought pache is a very common dhatu, so I included this. Tandulam pachati, cooks rice. Tandula is rice. Tandulam pachati, tandulam pakvavan. Sorry, tandulam pakvavan, tandulah pakvaha. Tandula shabdaha pullinge. Tandulam pakshyati, will cook. Tandulah pachaniyaha, rice should be cooked. Tandulah paktavyaha. Shivaram Kulkarni. Shruyate.
Rakshasam jayati. Rakshasam jitavan. Rakshasah jitah. Jitah. राक्षसं जेष्यति राक्षसं जेष्यति राक्षसः जयनीयः राक्षसः
जेतव्यः सम्यक् so rakshasam jayati conquers a demon. Rakshasam jitavan. Rakshasah jitah. Rakshasam jeshyati. Rakshasah jayaniyah. Rakshasah jetavyah. Next. Vidyananda Saraswati.
लेखनीं क्रियति
क्रीणाति
क्रीणाति लेखनीं कृतवान् लेखनी कृतवाची
क्रीता लेखनी
कृता लेखनीं
क्रेष्यति
क्रेष्यति लेखनी
क्रयणीया
क्रयणीया लेखनी क्रेतव्या
सम्यक् so लेखनीं क्रीणाति लेखनीं क्रीतवान् लेखनी क्रीता लेखनीं क्रेष्यति लेखनी क्रयणीया लेखनी क्रेतव्या. Okay, so there is a question here. Is there a form like jayitavya or pachitavya? No. So those forms for now know them by practice, but it will be jetavya, paktavya, dhartavya, shrotavya, kretavya, drashtavya. These dhatus are called anit, which means you will not hear that e there. Okay, so without going to theory, with practice it is possible to know the forms. So there is a difference. So dhatus, like you have the difference between sakarmaka, karmaka, you also have a difference called set and anit. Where do you find the e? Say lekhishyati, patishyati, but dasyati, pasyati, drakshyati, shrosyati, jeshyati, there is no e for some, there is e for others. So patishyati, vadishyati, lekhishyati, gamishyati, etc. Okay, so you will learn that difference sometime later. Okay, so there are just two more. Who has not tried this exercise? Sudhir?
I have a question.
Yes.
Jeshyati and jetasi, are they the same?
Jetasi is a different. Yeah, it is future tense, but it is a different lakara way. There are two lakaras which can indicate future tense. One is called rit and the other is called lut. Okay, so the commonly used one is rit lakara, which is jeshyati, but lut lakara is also there. So it is jetasi is of lut lakara, but it is future tense.
Because in the Gita it is
jetasi.
Jetasi.
Yes,
yeah.
It is a future tense. If you want to know more, I mean, the rit lakara is the common, the simple future, whereas the lut lakara we use for anadyatana bhavishyat, what we call not today. So jetasi is sometime later. It's not, you will not immediately win, it will take some time. So that is the implication there. So jetasi, we call it the anadyatana bhavishyat. Same way in the past tense we have different lakaras. So those different lakaras, there are subtle differences in meaning. Okay. Yes, will you attempt these? Pustakam ni.
Pustakam nayati. Pustakam neetavan. Pustakam neetam. Pustakam neshyati. Pustakam niyatam.
Nayaniyam.
Nayaniyam.
Like
Pustakam nayatavyam.
Netavyam.
Netavyam.
So pustakam nayati, pustakam neetavan, pustakam neetam, pustakam neshyati, pustakam nayaniyam, pustakam netavyam. Okay, last one. Vignesh.
श्रूयते वा? अम्बा स्मरति.
अम्बां स्मरति.
अम्बां स्मरति. अम्बां स्मृतवान्.
स्मृतवान्.
अम्बां स्मृतवान्. अम्बा स्मृता.
अम्बां स्मरिष्यति.
अम्बां स्मरिष्यति. अम्बा स्मरणीयः.
स्मरणीया.
अम्बा स्मरणीया. अम्बा
स्मर्तव्या.
स्मर्तव्या.
So Ambam Smarati. Smarati remembers. Remembers mother. Ambam Smritavan. Amba Smrita. Mother was remembered. Ambam Smarishyati. Amba Smaraniya. Amba Smartavya. Okay. So somebody asked, yes, I will post these two exercises with the Kriya Pada forms so that you can practice the correct forms. So you can practice it again during the exercise. There was one more question. Can I elaborate on say tanit wait? I can, but I think it is beyond the scope of the current lesson, because it is quite, I mean, you should know some other things before we can really understand the say tanit and wait. As a general thing, those which get the E in case of the tavyat. Okay, so tavyat is a general standard. So if you get the E, they are said. So patitavya, lekhitavya, khaditavya, etc. So if you don't hear the E in tavya, so they are anit. Gantavya, smartavya, shrotavya, drashtavya, etc. Okay. So there are some which get both. They are wait. But with that, I think we'll stop for this course. Sometime later, yes, we will learn more about those dhatus. Okay. The question, am I going to post all these lessons for practice? Certainly. So all material will always be posted for practice. Please go to sanskritfromhome.in and log in. You will find the video, audio, exercises, and all materials. So I had a few more things for today, but we will see those in the next class because it's quite some time. So one thing which people were asking for last class, and I said I would post it, but I have not yet posted it. So I wanted to tell you about that now. The Koshaha, the online, the resources available for Sanskrit, the dictionaries mainly. So these are the 4 which I would recommend. I'll just show you briefly. So this link is very useful actually. It's called the Sanskrit lexicon. So just one moment. Yeah, so you can see this is called the Cologne Digital Sanskrit Dictionaries. They have a huge collection of dictionaries. There are several Sanskrit English dictionaries. There are also English Sanskrit dictionaries, of course Sanskrit to other languages, and then you have Sanskrit dictionaries, the Shabdakalpadruma and Vachaspatyam. They're very good. They'll give you the Nishpatya, the derivations of words and such things. So there are also some specialized dictionaries. So it's a very good collection of dictionaries. So if you go to any of these, you can, there is a search. You can have the basic display. You can also search on the whatever word. If you just put in those words here, you will get the results. Okay. So that's one of the links. So the second link is again, it's another so here in Sanskrit you have some of the most common Sanskrit English dictionaries, the Apte, the MacDonald, the Monier-Williams. Those are some of the commonly used dictionaries which are there. So again, these you will again get a searchable version of the dictionary. You can search for the dictionary. You can also search, exact matching of words, or you don't know the exact words, so starting with, etc. So then the spoken Sanskrit.de, this is very useful for commonly used words. You can search in both English and Sanskrit. I mean, this also has phrases. So if you want a particular phrase which is used in conversation, you can find it. You will also find some Samastapadas and all, which is mainly the intention of this dictionary was to be useful for spoken Sanskrit. So whatever you need for common day-to-day usage, you will be able to find in this dictionary. Okay, you can either put in English, you'll get Sanskrit, or you put in Sanskrit, you will get English. Okay, automatically it can do that. And there is one more. This is actually for if you don't have an online access. So you can use these. If you install these in your system, you can access many dictionaries offline also. I mean, this is installable. If you're conversant with computers, you can use this. There's something called the StarDict. The the instructions are there on the page. So it will it is a separate application. You can have something like a Golden Dict, an application in which offline you can search many of these dictionaries, the Apte, the Monier-Williams, the Shabdakalpadruma, Vachaspatyam. And for those who are studying Vyakarana, there are also the Kashika, Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi, and some of the Vyakarana texts are also available. So you can also search for a sutra and find the answers. So these I'll post, so you can use these dictionaries. They're very useful for, generally for Sanskrit learning. So there's one question: is it kosha with this shakara or kosha with the murdhanya shakara? Both of them are used. Okay, so koshaha, koshaha, ubhayoho prayogaha asti. Suprita, you have a question? Suprita, do you have a question? No? Meenakshi?
What is the time of the class, madam? It is changed?
No, it is 7:30 to 9 a.m. IST, Indian time, Saturday mornings.
Oh, 9 a.m. Okay.
Yeah, 7:30 to 9. Yeah.
So it will be 9
yes.
Here. Okay, then last class exercise is not opening.
Is it? I'll check it. I'll see if the link, maybe the link is wrong. I'll check it out and I'll correct it.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so Sarvesham Dhanyavadaha. We had to do the Ratanam, but it's crossed 9. So I'll trust you will all do it yourself. So if possible, just now you can go through that file and do a bit of practice. I repeat, it's very, very useful. This Ratanam part, actually simply without thinking, going through the Shabda forms, it is definitely very useful. So if possible, do it right now. If not, daily spend just 5 minutes on it. It will definitely help. Okay. Dhanyavadaha. So Ramo Rajamanis Sada Vijayate Ramam Ramesham Bhaje Ramena Bhihata Nishachara Chamuhu Ramaya Tasmai Namaha Ramannasti Parayanam Parataram Ramasya Dasosmyaham Rame Chittalaya Sada Bhavatu Me Bho Rama Mamuddhara Gurureva Gatihi Gurumeva Bhaje Gurunaiva Sahasmi Namo Gurave Na Guroh Paramam Shishurasmi Guroh Matirasti Gurau Mama Pahi Guro.